On the ML and GL, the vehicle electrical system battery and the additional battery are under the front passenger seat. Switch on the ignition and move the head restraint down and the front passenger seat all the way forward. Remove the cover of the electrical system battery. Cut through the last section of the carpet at the prepared slits and move the front passenger seat all the way back. The carpet can now be easily pulled forward. Loosen the expansion rivet of the air vent on the battery cover. Move the front seat all the way forward and up. Note, switch off the ignition and leave it off while removing the battery. Remove the air vent and plastic cover on the battery. Pull out the plug from the additional battery. Detach the negative terminal on the electrical system battery and lift it off. Remove the cover of the positive terminal, loosen the terminal and lift it off. Remove the vent hose of the electrical system battery, loosen the two retaining nuts and remove the retainer plate. Lift the electrical system battery out of the tray in the vehicle, if required. Also remove the additional battery. Information: the additional battery supplies the transmission control server module if the vehicle's electrical system fails. The automatic transmission can be put in park without power from the main power supply. Note: on the GL and ML class, you do not need to remove the battery to charge it. A jump start terminal is available in the engine compartment for easy charging.